Okay, this is a story on how to set up shares and permissions on a FreeNAS server using Windows to access the files. So we got FreeNAS 11.2 using the legacy interface. And this is the main computer run by Mike, and it's just a fresh install of FreeNAS. Hasn't got any storage or anything yet set up. And 3 people: Mike, Cindy, and Peter. You noticing a theme? Anyway, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is add the users. So now we go to account and add user. First is Mike, and it will create a new primary group for Mike. We want that just to make it easier to put everyone in. And email. And the password has to be, well, the username and the password has to be the same to log in when you're logging into Windows. And because Mike's the administrator of the whole thing, we're going to add another group that he's a member of, which is Wheel, and that will become clear later on why we're doing that. Don't save. And as you can see, it's automatically added a group Mike. So let's add these other 2 knuckleheads. Peter, same deal there, full name. And we're just going to have him a member of Peter, nothing else. And we'll add Cindy. Okay, so now we got 3 users. Okay, now we're going to create volume using the old volume manager, and we'll call it Lake 1, and do all the disks, and we'll do a RAID Z. Okay, so that's creating the volume now. Now we want to create a data set, and seeing as how it's going to contain movies, let's call it movies. It's going to be a Windows share, and that's about it. Now underneath here we're going to create another data set, and this one's called General, for general viewing. Once again, the Windows. Alright, I'm going to add another one. Mature audiences. And another one. Going to go restricted. Yeah, okay. That's also going to be Windows. The final one is going to be X. You can imagine what goes in here, can't you? You dirty bastards. Alright, so got all these going, but now no one can see them because they haven't got a share. So I'll just do the permissions first. Now this is why I added wheel to mic, because this will come up automatically. So instead of mucking around with this and changing it, Mike's in charge of it, and I like to keep the owners as root because that's just the way I roll. No, it's automatic and root can get to it at any time anyway. Alright, so it's Windows permissions, so we can't change anything here. We have to do it through Windows. And that's good to go. I think we'll share the whole lake. Windows share. Add a Windows share. Call it lake. And I like to put an S in front of it so you know it's a share. But you don't have to. Slake. I'm not going to do that. Now let's see what this looks like. There we go. So I'll just whack this shortcut on here. You can probably map it to a drive later on. And we'll just have a look. And there's movies. General, mature, restricted, and X. So this guy can see all of it. What about Cindy? With a speech impediment. Okay. Right, yeah, she can see it. And she can see everything. Alright, we'll do the same with Peter. Shortcut again. And what's this guy saying? Movies. He's seeing them all too. Alright, so now we'll go back to Mike and do the permissions. So I'll have a look at general, security. We want everyone. We don't care who sees this shit. So we'll move some movies on there. Always kid movies. And the mature ones, getting a bit more mature. Right. And restricted, more adult movies. Right. And the ones you've been waiting for. Mike's collection. Now, let's see if before Cindy comes home, if we change him. No, we don't do it from there. Right, movies, everyone. Now mature, properties, security. We don't want everyone. So remove it. Apply, okay. But we do want Peter to see the mature ones. Okay, so add, and remember his group was Peter. I'm not sure if that's group or it doesn't really matter. Okay, so Peter Brady can get on the mature ones. Now, at his age, you can muck around with this and let him go on this, or maybe not, you know. So we'll let him on these. His voice has changed, so we'll get rid of everyone and add Peter. Check names. Okay. Apply. Okay. Now for this one, we want just Mike to have a look at these ones. So remove everyone, and that'll actually do it. But we can soon test it out anyway. So let's see if this works. Mike, movies, general, and we can write on there so we can add movies. And mature, you can see them all, we can write on it. And restricted, and we can write, no worries. And the X-rated, we can write on it and, you know, do all sorts of stuff. Now we'll have a look at Cindy. What can she do? General, that's all she gets. She can't see anything else, so she isn't tempted. And she can see all her pathetic cartoons. But she can't delete. Can't do it. So that's good. And she can't add to it. Alright? So that's good. So that's all she gets. All those crappy movies. And we'll have a look at Peter. Movies. Look at that. You can get the mature ones. But can he delete? No, he can't. He can only view. And restricted, he can go for his life on that. Okay, so he can't delete anything. Maybe you might want to give him something later on, but maybe not. Property, security, Peter. Yeah, see, Peter's only got read, but Will. Remember, Mike's a member of the Will. He's got everything going on, and Cindy's got nothing. She can't do anything. Okay, so that's it. I hope that's helped a bit. Bye for now.